Maisha from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, recently I asked you about repeating the takbir in Salah, but in addition to that, what I do is very frequently I mess up with my prayers, and I end up offering Sujood Sahu before Salam and after Salam because I get confused whether I have made a mistake or added anything, and this happens a lot. So if I add Sujood Sahu to be safe before Salam and after Salam, are those prayers valid?
Are you a student of knowledge? Maisha,
No, Sheikh.
are you a scholar?
No, Sheikh.
How dare you make sujood sahu before salam and after salam? Why not might as well add 3-4 rak'ahs extra? What kind of attitude is this? You are not a student of knowledge. You have no knowledge in Islam. So you must not do anything or improvise in ibadah thinking that, what should I do? No, you don't do that. You remain as you have been doing all the time. Pray the prayer normally and ask. So when you offer sujood as-sahu, like you're doing in every salat, before and after salam, assumingly, question, is shaitan happy and pleased with what you're doing? Yes or no? Maisha?
Not happy.
When you add something.
Happy. Yes, maybe.
No, he is happy and pleased because he managed to make you change the religion, increase and innovate in it what's not part of it. Now the sad news is when shaitan is happy and pleased, guess who's angry? Maisha, who's angry?
Allah.
Okay, so then this opens your eyes and makes you stop, insha'Allah, what you're doing, and don't do anything without asking and inquiring.